misconception about phone is good or bad for students? What is
Yeah,
your?
ma'am. Okay. According to me, ma'am, phone, it's up to that the students using what intensely they are using phones, right? If we using any phones with the good intention and only expectation to learning skills, right? And having the ideas, guidance of the better to better teachers for improving self, right?
Yes,
Then you can consider in this case the phone is well for all the students' life.
yes,
But
yes,
if we start using phone in different manner, right? Watching some reels and etc.,
yes,
spending time over the day and night over useless things. So you can consider this is a voice can be the of the student's life,
yes,
right?
yes. Spoil student life. Yes, and through mobile we can communicate. Like we also now at this time we have take a conversation with you, and it is possible through mobile. Many persons connected through mobile only, and it is possible to connect our neighbors, our relative, our friends through mobile. It is possible, and we can do like voice call, WhatsApp call through mobile. We can only connect through mobile, so it is good for communication. And but for a student, in my opinion, it is very bad, because nowadays students, you are looking like a pictures.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, it
Yeah,
may be
ma'am.
network. Yes. Okay. And mobile also, students become, they have to become addicted, and
Yeah,
many, they play only games and other things. Yes.
yeah,
And
you're right.
if we take mobile as a for good thing, doing our project work and other, if we I don't know anything, we can search on Google and we found there, so it is good.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
yes, everything has a advantage and disadvantage. But in this era, only students and people runs behind bad things.
yeah, ma'am. You're right.
Yes,
That's why.
we have to become habitual to see only bad things and runs behind, like we are scrolling our mobile and see many reels, and
Yeah,
people uploading video only, they want to get only more views. Doesn't matter, it is good for our society or our country also. And this many videos are spoiled our culture and society, though, so that's why it is very bad thing.
yeah, ma'am. It's up to totally of the user what intentionally
Yes,
they are using these kinds of things into their
yes,
life,
yes.
right?
It
Yeah.
is
So,
totally,
ma'am,
yes,
yeah, I have a question. One question behalf of all the beginner sites. Like
yes.
nowadays, ma'am, how are you improving your communication skills? Because I'm getting you are so much fluent in your speaking.
No,
So
no,
can you
not
tell me?
much, so much fluent, but at least I convey my thoughts to any stranger, in front of any stranger. At least I convey my thoughts. Yes,
Yeah, you
only.
have a confidence also. I can see, ma'am, you have a confidence. Because early time I would connect with you, so I was having lots of hesitation, but now I'm having so much confidence in you, and you're expressing very nicely. So that's why.
Okay, you see difference
Yeah, I
in
see
my
difference. Yeah,
first video and today video. But
yeah.
as I told you, I am a homemaker and I have no much time. Only I
Hmm.
have attend conversation one or two. If I have more time, I attended three conversation. Otherwise, one or at least one or two conversation I had taken. So that's why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It doesn't matter, but with confidence you speak, ma'am. It's a really very great.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Only if I'm able to convey my thoughts, I'm able to give answer of any person randomly. We talk, so it is good.
Yeah.
Yes.
So nowadays, ma'am, what kinds of book do you read?
No, I have no time because I have many books of literature because I am a literature student. I
Mm.
completed my MA in Master in English, and I am also preparing my exam. But for whenever I started my journey, I am so busy in that group, that app. Whenever I have time, I left the message in this group, and I had taken a session. So that's why I'm not using my reading skill, but it may be in future. I have many books of literature like John
Mm.
Keats, many Matthew Arnold, many writers, many poets.
Yeah.
I
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
So could you mention like when did you realize you should be learn English spoken? Say something.
yes. One day I uploading because I am YouTuber and I have small channel and daily I uploaded there so dance video. So that's
Okay.
why one day I was scrolling on my mobile and uploading video. Then I saw a conversation video on the
Mm.
YouTube that I realized that what is that people connected with each other? What is a platform? How it could be possible? So that's why I'm interested. I was
Okay.
interested, and so I commented on that video, and so that's first month I used to listen only conversation video. After that, first June I started my speaking skill because as a beginner, only first of all we should start our listening skill. After that, speaking skill.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am. You're right.
yes,
You are right, and you are doing well. I really appreciate you because you are a housewife, and in spite of you are learning English
yes.
spoken.
And whenever I used to speak in English, and I'm feeling so excited because it is a language and I'm talking in English because in our surrounding, all people are talking in our mother tongue. So that's why
Yeah,
I'm
Hindi
feeling
language.
so happy to speak this language. Yes.
Yeah. Of course, ma'am. I'm also feeling well when I interact with those people who are very passionate for this language, and you're a
Yes,
very
yes,
passionate person. Do you know, like passionate person always gives us better energy. You know, they
yes,
release
yes,
out vibes comes out from them sides. It will really help us to exciting, boosting our confidence levels and expressing self in better manner. I really
yes.
love to interact with that peoples.
Yes.
So
And on this group, only passionate and dedicated person are available. And only
mm,
their motive is to enhance their communication skills. So that's why I'm also happy to connect
yeah,
many people. Yes.
yeah, ma'am. So nowadays, ma'am, like, have you been working over the vocabulary nowadays?
No, no.
No.
I have good knowledge of many vocabs, but it is my initial stage, and I don't I never use the vocab. I know some many things, but whenever I speak, it is due to lack of practice. Yes,
Yeah.
but after 1 month, it may happen. Yes, I
Mm,
will definitely use my vocabs.
of
Yes,
course, ma'am.
advanced word I also knew, but in just a beginner don't know. It is the lack of practice. Yes, I know.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am. Due to have lacking practice of spoken, that's why you are unable to using that kinds of vocabulary in your
Yes,
conversation, right?
yes.
Yeah.
I think if I spend at least 1 or 2 hours in a day, and definitely I will improve after 1 or 2 months. Yes,
Yeah, because early time I had seen your daughter besides you sitting,
yes, yes.
yeah, and listening your conversations. So she was looking very excited. My mother are talking very nicely with someone in English, right?
Yes, because my both kids are very intelligent and both are
Mm.
amazing, and they made many records in all fields. So that's why. So
Yeah,
I am
because
also learning this language.
Because all credit goes to their mama now, because their mama is intelligent, that's
Yes,
why.
I
Right.
prepared them. Yes,
Mm.
and
So it,
all studies I have teach them. I have taught them. And what
yeah.
do you do apart from this conversation? What do you do for your communication skill?
Yeah, ma'am, you know what I say? Like, I have read storybooks every day and try to remember vocabulary and practice with new person. I try to use that vocabulary and yeah, on beginner, I'm helping beginner students. So it's really giving me so much peace, and I'm
Yes.
really glad to helping people
Okay.
nowadays.
Yes. That's good. And are you preparing any government exam?
No, no, not ma'am. Nowadays, I'm not preparing any government exam because
Why?
it's quite tough,
Because you
right?
are also completed your MA Masters in English.
Yeah, you are right. And
But
nowadays, I'm
yes,
already teacher in private school, so that's why still I'm not focusing over. But in future, I will think. Yeah.
yes. Have you cleared your super TET?
No, I haven't clear.
Okay. And I cleared both time for PGT and TGT both.
Wow.
Yes.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Because from home, I am also preparing. And last year, I also cleared. And before that year, I also cleared.
Okay, great, ma'am. So, ma'am, I'm very curious to know your hobbies and free time. What do you do? Could you describe something?
Yes, whenever I am free, I used to make video, so dance video, because making video, I am feeling so excited and very pleasurable person, very cheerful person. So that's why, and because I have no time, I never used to see any other video. Only I enjoying my watching my videos and upload
Wow.
on YouTube and Instagram. Yes.
Yeah, it's a really great. Of course, ma'am. You are developing your personality and as well as you are developing new skill in you regarding dancing field. It's
Yes.
totally remarkable,
Yes,
really.
only whenever I feel bored, only I used to make video. None other
Mm,
thing I was doing, only used to make video.
of course. I would like to watch your video. So after finishing conversation, you must send me. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
join your platform and I would like to supporting you as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. So you can ask me anything if you want to ask me.
yes, yes. And which class do you like? Do you read? Which class student?
Yeah, I think normally I'm teaching all the younger student up to five
Younger.
class.
And
Yeah,
yes, have you given tuition your home?
yeah, you're right. Of course I do. Yeah.
Yes, it is very good because before 5 years ago, I also used to give tuition at home, and 20 or
Wow.
30 students, I also taught them.
Yeah, and nowadays, ma'am, it is going
Now,
on.
no, no. Nowadays, I am totally focusing on my skills and my children's skills. So that's why my husband refused me. Yes.
Oh,
Yes, because
yeah,
2 or 3 hours I spent those students, so that's why. But nowadays my both children are very intelligent, so that's why I am totally focusing on them.
yeah. You are doing well, ma'am. Really.
Yes,
Focusing over children and giving the better communication skills. Totally great.
yes,
Thank you.
and that's why I'm on here to making an environment for them. So that's why
Mm,
I'm learning this language. Yes, not
yeah.
that not the specific region because you know very well I'm preparing government exam and there is no need of a spoken part in government. So and for my children I am here.
Of course, ma'am, you are doing well, of course. And all of the children are very lucky for having you as a mother. Really.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. So we should be wrap up. We again
Okay.
connect.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much.